Hey guys, this is no nonsense multi-purpose interior ready mix filler suitable for sanding and painting, shrink and crack resistance. This one is white color and 1 kg. So we order this from Screwfix. This is not a promotion for Screwfix. So basically I want to use this to sort out the cutting. So no nonsense ready mix filler for interior repair. Can be painted, nailed, drilled and sanded once dry. Fill holes up to 7 mm deep. For deeper holes, apply in multi layers. Allow to dry between applications. Dry time 24 hours. Full dry. So basically use this to cover the holes, then allow it like 24 hours to dry up before you start to do any other thing with. But this is something that I ordered from Screwfix, multi-purpose interior ready mixed filler. And preparation: ensure the gap to be filled is dry and free from grease, dust and loose particles. Cover nails head with an oil or solution solvent base paint to prevent rusting. Stir filler thoroughly before use and application. Push filler into the cavity using a filling knife or towel. So we got a filling knife you can use, so you need to get something flat and to use for this. Ensure the filler is slightly proud of the surrounding surface. Finish with a clean wet knife or towel. Allow to set for 24 hours before sanding, drilling, nailing or painting. Wash tools in warm water before the filler harden, remaining filler out of frost. Application temperature 10 centigrades minimum. Storage temperature 5 centigrade minimum. Once open, use within 6 weeks. If product has thickened, a small amount of water may be added. So to open this up, you need to open up this corner here. Okay, so open it up, then put your hands up and lift the cap. You can see what it looks like. This is white color. Nice. Once you're done, cover it up. And this one also got expiry date 2026. To fill this hole, you need to make sure you find something that make sure the stuff go inside completely. So I'm using like a pen. I'm not sure whether it's the correct stuff to use, but you need to make sure you fill the hole. Otherwise, if you just do it on the surface, you just cover it. But if you want to screw stuff back to it, you need to make sure you fill up the holes. So this is the essence of using like something like pen. So use the filler to cover it inside first. See, so you need to fill it inside first before you flatten it. So once this dried up, you need to use sandpaper. Fine sandpaper to make the surface to be flat before you paint it back. So this is the stuff that was inside, so we need to cover this. So once this dried up, you use the sandpaper to clean it up properly.